Welcome back, children. Today, in lesson number 4, My District, we will learn about festivals of India. So, before that, we need to know what are festivals. Festivals are events celebrated by a community and centering on some characteristic aspect of that community and its religion or cultures. Each festival is different from the other in many ways, like the story behind it, its importance, the way we celebrate it, choice of people, the time of the year when it is celebrated, the community that celebrates the festival, etc. In India, we generally celebrate two types of festivals: national festivals and religious festivals. National festivals are the pride of every country. India celebrates three national festivals, that is the Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. On the occasion of national festivals in India, the government declares that day as a national holiday throughout the country. On 15th August 1947, our country achieved freedom from the British rule. Therefore, this day is celebrated as Independence Day and is a national festival. On Independence Day, our Prime Minister raises the tricolor flag and gives an address to the nation. Every year, Independence Day is observed throughout India with flag hoisting ceremonies, parades, and cultural events. On 26 January 1950, our constitution came into existence. From this day onwards, India became democratic, secular and republic nation. Therefore, this day is celebrated as Republic Day. Large military parades are held in New Delhi. India's president takes the military salute during the parade in New Delhi. A foreign head of state is the president's chief guest on Republic Day. Awards and medals of bravery are given to the people from the armed forces and also to the civilians. 2nd October is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. He contributed greatly to the Indian freedom movement. Therefore, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October in his memory. Gandhi Jayanti is marked by prayer services and tributes all over India, including at Gandhiji's memorial Rajghat in New Delhi, where he was cremated. In 2014, the government asked all public sector employees to attend work on 2nd October to spend the day cleaning their offices to mark the launch of the Clean India initiative. Our country, India, is a secular state. Here we celebrate all the festivals together with great harmony and fun. A religious festival or cultural festival is a time of special importance marked by follower to that religion or culture. These are commonly celebrated on recurring cycles in a calendar year. These festivals are religiously and culturally centered, and thus we come to honor our religions and culture. These festivals give a sense of enjoyment, relaxation, and offer the time needed to bond with family members. Within India, there are a large number of groups having different cultures, traditions, and languages. We, the people of India, celebrate our festivals with harmony. We don't see caste, creed, or religion. We promote fraternity, live together, and celebrate together. We celebrate Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Holi, Uttarayan, Dashera, Janmashtami, etc. collectively. So children, this was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.